Welcome all to British IS. Today we are going to discuss another part of the geography. We have been taking up the series of Himachal Pradesh, and now I'll be discussing about the Himachal Pradesh map. We will be discussing about the districts and also the neighboring states and with which all countries it is sharing the boundary. So first we are taking up the districts. First understand how many districts that they are having. We'll learn it one by one. So first district that I'm taking is Lahul Spiti, that is on the top in the north. On the west we are having Chamba and Kangra. Then in the middle, which is not sharing any boundary, is the Kullu, Mandi, then Hamirpur. Next we are having Kinnaur in the east, then Shimla, Solun, Bilaspur, Una and Sirmaur. So these are the districts that the Himachal Pradesh is having. Understand that these districts, how they will be asked in the examination. They'll be asking you about the largest district, the smallest districts in size, and then also they can ask you the questions like which districts are sharing the boundary with the states and the international border if they are having any. So the first is Lahul Spiti. If you see, Lahul Spiti is right at the top, and above Lahul Spiti is at right at the top, and then it is below the Ladakh. Apart from that, it is also sharing the boundary with the Tibet. Do not forget that, because these kind of questions can come, that with how many states they are forming the boundary with. So Ladakh you can write down, and formerly it was a part of Jammu and Kashmir, but now it has been separated. So you can write Ladakh, and then Tibet is also there. Now coming to the next part, we are having Kinnaur. If you see the Kinnaur, they are forming the boundary between the Uttarakhand is one of the state which with which they are forming the boundary. It is just right below it, and on the right side of it you have China, Tibet, China. Right. If you see Chamba, then it's sharing the boundary with Lahul Spiti in the north, and in the northeast it is also sharing the boundary with Ladakh, and just above it you are having the Jammu and Kashmir. On the west is sharing the boundary. To note that with how many states is sharing the boundary with. Next up we have is Kangra. The Kangra is also forming the boundary with Punjab, and apart from that, the districts it's forming the boundary with is Hamirpur, Mandi, and the very next one, very small one we have is Una. Una is also forming the boundary with Punjab. Bilaspur is there, again forming the boundary with Punjab. Then we have the next state, which is Haryana. Haryana is forming the boundary with Solan and Simorpur of the Himachal districts. And Mandi is closed, Kulu is also closed. So these are not forming the boundaries with any other state because they are just at the center of it. And apart from that, if you see, have is Uttarakhand, and Uttarakhand is forming the boundary with Kinnaur, Shimla, and Sirmaur. So these are the important points that you have to note while seeing the map. You have to note all these points. The next step that we have to discuss is which is the largest district of the state. So Lahul Spiti have is Lahul Spiti. It's a very large. Next district that we have is Mandi and Solan. Haryana. Now comes the next district, Solan and Sirmaur. They are forming the boundary with Haryana. Next, Uttarakhand forming the boundary with Shimla, Sirmaur, and Kinnaur. So this is how you have to understand. Majorly, we have discussed Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Ladakh. Right? So this is a UT. Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir are the UTs. The state we are discussing is Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, China, international boundary, Tibet basically. So this is how you have to study. And then you can see, analyze that Uttarakhand is forming boundary with Kinnaur, Shimla and Sirmaur. Right? Haryana forming the boundary with Solan and Sirmaur again. So this is how you have to study. To analyze the adjacent states, you have to analyze the adjacent international boundary, but also what you have to do is you mark them up in the maps so that you can remember them for a longer period of time. Thank you so much. I'll come up with the next video.